All right, our last debugging exercise for this one. Again, let's go ahead and copy all the code. We're going to open up a new project. We're going to name this project DebugFour4. Next, create. We're going to get rid of this starter code, paste the code from the C# source file. And let's see, now we have high sales, low sales, things like this. Let's go ahead and run, see if it can. Nope, we have some errors that are syntax errors. They don't even let us fix it. Okay, so one thing we have is this bonus here is not a variable we can use. We can see bonus 2 down here. So we have a bonus 2, bonus 1 has green. We're not using that yet. So let me go ahead and put a 1 there. That'll fix that one. And then we have this commission.toString. So we need to figure out what's going on. Commission needs to be a dot to string. And that should work. Let's go ahead and run it now. What is the sales amount? Let's do math easy. Let's do 10000. Let's do 10,000. The highest it'll go. So our sales is 10,000. Our commission is 1,680. Let's see. If commission is greater than highest, a bonus 2. If our sales is greater than low sales, we plus equals sales minus low sales, medium impact. Medium percentage, sorry. Let's see. If sales is greater than the lower amount of sales, our commission is going to be plus equals the sales minus low sales. So we're only going to get permission for what we sell above 1,000. Okay. Multiplied by the median percentage, 0.02. All right. But if our sales are greater than the medium sales, greater than 5,000, our commission is going to be plus equals bonus 1. Plus equals 1,000 for our commission. Okay. And then if our sales is greater than high sales, we also get bonus 2. So we're getting a flat commission rate here of everything above 1,000. We were adding a bonus to that if we get above our medium sales, 5,000. We're going to add another bonus if we get above this. So everything looks like it's running well. I don't see any issues here. So if we do, let's just do a little test. Let's do 999. That's right at the sales amount. Commission is 49.9. So where do we get 49.9? So commission equals low percentage times sales. Yeah. Our low percent is 0.5. But our medium percent is 0.2. Okay. Sales amount. Let's do 1001. So we do get a little bit more than that if we sell 2 more. So it looks like the logic is right. If it's not, I'm not seeing it. I'm not really thinking there's nothing wrong. Okay, we're going to stop there. Let me know if you have any questions about the debugging exercises. I don't think it tried to throw any crazy logic stuff at you this time, but test your code several times. Let me know if you see any kind of inconsistency there. Let me know if you have any issues, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.